Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, that means you're not getting high CPM and you want to find out how you can increase that. The answer is actually very simple, and in the next 8 minutes I'm gonna show you how you can do it and start earning more. Before I start, I just want to make it clear, in order to find out how much you can get, you need to ask yourself how much advertisers are willing to pay for a certain keyword. So the way that it works is that advertisers are paying Google to promote the commercials on YouTube, and then YouTube is paying the creators from that advertiser's money. And when these advertisers are making a campaign, they are targeting specific keywords and they're bidding on them. I hope that makes sense for you. And now let's jump into the computer and show you some analytics plus a way that you can increase your RPM CPM. First, I want to make an example. This is one of my channels and this is a random video that just got 5,200 views in the past few months. The views are not impressive, but even with that I managed to get $95.65 from them, and that is because I was using high CPM keywords. When I go to the revenue, you can see that my RPM is $18.77 and my CPM is $85.70, which is not unusual. Like I said, this is pretty impressive for 5,000 views to get almost $100. Quickly I'm going back in the revenue tab so you can see that my CPM, there's a days where I get more than $100, 93, 104, 126, 17, 129, and my RPM, which is my cut of everything, is averaging on $19, but there are some days that they're more, like 20, 26, and the most I got is 110 RPM per one day, then $43, 24, 47, and this is the key of this keyword research. You don't need millions of views to make money off YouTube. You just need a high CPM in order to get more money. Imagine if you're getting a video that is getting 100,000 or 500,000 views, how much you can get from it. Like I said, I get $100 just for 5,000 views. Now let's waste no more time and go to the details and how you can actually increase your CPM. You want to go to Google and type Google Ads. Then you want to click on login and you can use your Google account for that. If not, you can make a registration just for under 1 minute. It's not complicated. So when you logged in, this is what you're gonna be seeing. Usually here is where advertisers are putting their campaigns, but you're not here for that. You need to go to the tools and settings, which is on the top right side. Click on that and then go on the left side where it says planning and then select keyword planner. And when you select it, you're gonna have two options: to discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. You want to select the left one, which is discover new keywords. And when you select it, you're gonna see this window. First you wanna select the language, so I'm typing English on mine. That's because my channel is on English. Then you can select the country. I'm selecting USA because most of my viewers are from there, and I wanna make a research based on that country. Then I press save. And now we're ready to test some keywords. I'm gonna make an example now. If your channel is about cars, you can type car or something else, but I'm gonna make this example, so I'm gonna type car. Then I'm gonna press enter to make this a keyword. It's gonna turn into blue, and then under that I'm gonna select get results. And here is where the magic happens. Probably you're gonna see this in US dollars. I'm seeing them in Danish crowns because I'm using a Danish card, but approximately 7 Danish crowns equals $1. So I hope that is not making you confused. So we want to focus on this page, which is the low range of bidding. And on the left side you can see the keyword, which is car. And on the right side you can see the minimum bid from the advertisers, which is 2.77 Danish crowns, which is equaling approximately 30 cents. And that is just for the keyword car, which is actually pretty low. And when I hover over this section, you can see that this is the advertisers what they are minimum paying for a click on a video that is having this keyword or title or description. So what am I doing? I'm selecting this panel, which is the top of the page bid, which is gonna make them going from highest to lowest paid. And you can see that the highest paid just for one click is 47 crowns, which is approximately $6, and that is $6 for a single click for one view. And that $6 is gonna be splitted between you and YouTube because this is about CPM. And if you wanna get that, you have to make a video topic about ice and car, include it in the description, the keywords, and maybe in the title. And then this advertiser is gonna pay you $6 per one view, which you are gonna be splitting it with YouTube. You can see that competition is very low, so that's good. Also, I like to click on the average monthly searches, which is gonna reorganize it and make it from the highest searches volume to the lowest. So now you can see that the cars is searched between 1 and 10 million per month. CEO cars is searched between 1 million and 10 million times per month, but CEO cars is paying just 10 cents per one view, so it's not worth it. And what I'm targeting is something that is highly searched as well as highly paid. As you can see, Toyota Corolla is having a minimum bid fair view is 8.8 Danish crowns, which is about $1.20, and this is just for one view. Mazda 3 is having 10.5 Danish crowns, which is approximately $1.50, and it's having monthly searches between 100,000 and 1 million, which is a perfect keyword. I want to mention again that this is just for one view, not for 1,000. So if I'm having a car video, I'm gonna include that keyword also in the description as well as the keywords as a tag on the video. Another high pay keyword is this Mazda CH5, which is paying 16 Danish crowns, which is approximately $2 per single click, and is also having a high search volume. Another good keyword is for Audi A4, which is paying on average $1.2 per one click, also having a great amount of searches. Also, car dealerships near me is paying around $3 per single view, with also a good amount of monthly searches. Now let's try and search for something else, something different that is not cars. If you're having a pet channel which is showing some cats and dogs, I'm gonna type there cats, then I'm gonna get results by pressing it. And then you can see that Ninja Cat is the one that is paying the most. It is paying around $9 per one view. The keyword wet cat is paying around $4 per one view, and so on. I hope you get the idea. This is how you can research your video topics, keywords, description tags, and use a high CPM keyword so you can earn more from YouTube and make more money. But you don't have to consider only the high CPM, you also have to consider the amount of monthly searches. So in my practice, I noticed that everything over 100 searches per month and $1 per one view is really good, so I'm using that. And I'm making videos about these topics by including the tags in the description, keywords, and in the title sometimes. And while most creators for animal channel for cats and dogs are getting around $2 of CPM, I'm getting a CPM between $15 and $25 per 1,000 views. And that way a video of mine which is getting just 10,000 views is getting more money than most of the channels that are getting 100,000 views. And that is not because my videos are much more engaging or something else. It is simply because I'm doing my research before I make a video, and I'm putting high CPM keywords, I'm making them as a tags, and I'm also including them in the description. You just have to make a research on what advertisers are paying for what kind of keyword. I hope this video was useful. If that was the case, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe with the bell notification to not miss anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.